parked at Southridge. I suppose I could just go.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another nice full self-drive 11.4.4 aerial perspective video.
On this very hot day.
How hot is it, Doggone Sci-Fi? I almost called you myself.
Well, close enough.
Our tag names, getting used to them.
105.
Jeez. It's toasty.
Mm-hmm. I think it was like 40% humidity. So, good. Good. No. See, you hesitate.
Yeah, that hesitation throws off the other drivers, like you're going to hit them.
Mm-hmm. If it had just gone confidently, we would have been fine.
You know, the fascinating thing that you'll be interested about behind that is that from the air perspective, it stays behind the line. But from the vehicle perspective, like when we're sitting inside, it does not feel like it doesn't feel comfortable.
Mm-mm. I think that's the nice thing about doing these drives is you get the aerial perspective of versus a person's perspective, because persons can be flawed.
Oh, it can be totally flawed. We can give our opinions about it, but I think the best thing about these FSD videos are the fact that you can see everything.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about what the car actually did or what it didn't do.
Now, had I been driving, that car would have gone through the circle and then I would have just gone. But it
kind of hesitated.
It did that hesitate dance where, and then it's like, well. Here we go. So like
I'd be over in the right lane already to make the turn, right?
Yeah. And I had to force it to get over. Can you redeem yourself in the roundabout? No. Go. Not bad. Wonder if anyone else talks to their car like we talk to it.
I wonder if anyone else sings to their car like we do with the disengagement.
We don't really sing to the car. We sing to the engineers listening to the bug report.
That's true.
The disengagement reports.
Getting a little herky-jerky on the sticks on everybody there. Sorry.
Coming up on one of my other favorite roundabouts where
It just flies into it usually.
Yep. Or slams on the brakes for no reason. It's like a 50-50.
50-50. We'll see what it does today.
Alright. There's no one coming.
No. Just slams on the brakes there, doesn't it?
The middle of the roundabout.
Yeah,
Yep.
that doesn't
and
make
we had a car behind.
any sense. Here, let me sit here so I can get T-boned.
Or rear-ended. One or the other.
One or the other. Oh, this is the road. Oh, here we go.
Oh, the ghost road?
Oh, this is Ghost Road. We gave it a challenging drive, viewers. I promise this road has phantom braking on it. And I'll let you know when we feel it. I'll try to provide as much clarity as I can from the air.
And you do have power lines coming up that go across this way.
I see it, yeah. Phantom braking here.
Yep, slowed down to 32.
Phantom braking a little bit there.
31.
A little bit there.
Oh, shit.
Oh, okay.
Road debris, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Didn't feel like running over a piece of wood.
You're good.
Not in Lightning McQueen.
Not today, Satan.
I still like that one guy's shirt better. Not today, Jesus.
That one's a good one.
So I would not get in the right lane because we're going to go straight through the intersection. Although, does that lane go straight too? Or is it right only?
I think it's a right turn.
I think it's just a right turn.
Like if we get in the right lane, are you talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus there's a bus. I don't want to get in there.
No, we should just cruise in this lane. Autopilot's doing the right thing. Well, if you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm. And keep the conversation going over on X. Once again, I am Doggone Sci-Fi. Once again, I am Gray Shot Down. I am Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. This has been another full self-driving 11.4.4 aerial perspective video. Thanks again for joining us.
Well, according to our wedding vows, we are one, so.
It's true. It's true.
It's finally happened. We've merged into one being. We have a tummy ache tonight.
Love you.
Too. Alright. So we should go right through and then. Okay, we're gonna go through it. God damn it.
Not sure what happened.
It didn't slow down like it should have for a yellow, and then it hesitated itself.
Yeah.
And then it threw us right into the intersection at the red light.
Yeah. Well, that happened.